To check the screen time on an Android phone, we'll first go to Settings. If your settings is not on the home screen, swipe up to reveal the app drawer and find Settings from there. Once I'm in the settings, I'll scroll down to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This will show my screen time and insights on the apps that my screen time consists of. On some Android phones, this might be in a different place, for example under Battery and Device Care. If you search for Digital Wellbeing in your settings, you should be able to find it. Screen time resets every day at midnight, and on some phones, you'll need to enable it first before anything is tracked. There's some nice tools here. I can, for example, set a daily goal for myself. This is not a hard limit or anything. Your phone will just give you a reminder that time is up when you hit your goal. But you can always bypass that if you want to keep using your phone. If you want to limit certain apps but not the whole phone, you can use the app timers for that. You can pick which days are limited and how much the time limit is. You can do it for a group like all social media apps, or if I tap the selected items, I could set a limit for a specific app as well. Up top, you can view your weekly report with peak usage times, most used apps, etc. Under the three dots in the top right corner, you can dive a little deeper in the settings, and here you could, for example, exclude apps from your screen time reports or set a PIN code that's required before anyone can edit or delete app time limits. And that's how you check screen time on Android. Click the like button if this helped you, and subscribe to get quick access to hundreds of guides like this.